Welcome back. We're going to do another shave video, and I'm Matthew. If you tuned in last week, you know that we used a soap from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, and it was the beach. Well, I got a little treat for you today. We're going to do the polar opposite, and we're going to use Chiseled Face Cryogen. Now, this is a tallow-based soap, and if you guys have ever smelled it, you can tell there's some menthol in there. So if you are somebody that's doesn't do very well with menthol, I don't suggest that you try it. And what we're going to be shaving with today is the GameChanger. It is the 0.84 millimeter open comb, and that is made by RazoRock. It is a stainless steel razor, and it is probably one of my most favorite razors. And then I don't know what to tell you guys, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to rub a Willys all over my face, and I'm just not sure if I'm going to like it or not. So just in case that doesn't work out, I do have a Gillette Silver Blue, my favorite razor. And Eugene did ask me, so I'm going to follow through with him. We're going to do my 3D printed scuttle. Now, I don't have any other scuttles, and I can think of one. I just heard that Phoenix does have one, so I may have to pick that one up here soon. So let me go ahead and load that up in my bowl. I do like to use 1/4 teaspoon. It's a pretty accurate way of doing it instead of loading the brush. So I've got that in there. Let me put a little bit of water. So, got my 3D printed stopper. And the one thing I did forget to mention is I got my Omega boar brush here. And the amount of water I'm going to use is just kind of give it a little shake. If I need more water, I'll do it. Got to be a little careful here. This doesn't seal real well with the 3D printed stopper. But it does lather up pretty well, just like a lot of the other soaps. And I do need to wet my face. And while I'm waiting on that to absorb into my face a little bit, we're going to load that razor blade. And that does come in a double wrapped package. Let you guys see that. You gotta be careful, I don't cut my finger. Oh yeah. And this particular razor, you want to load it from the bottom and then take that top cap, slide it down through there. I can't remember what handle that is. I think it's the Bulldog, but I'm not real sure. Clean that razor up a little bit. One thing I will mention, if you're using this, definitely keep it away from your eyes. I can feel the menthol beginning to work. And one of the things about shaving in a black shirt, you definitely see it, but that's okay. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. I'm hoping it don't pick it up on the video, but we definitely have some southern winds picking up, blowing in that nice warm air. We've been having a lot of cold weather here. And here we go. That blade doesn't feel too bad, surprisingly. It's not real smooth and it's not real sharp. It's kind of right there in between. This is one of my favorite razors that I do like to use. And I've tried a lot of different blades in it. There's only been one blade that I can say I didn't like in it, and that was the Maxx. If you notice, I am shaving in a different bathroom. We have 3 bathrooms here. I'm on the main floor. Let me tell you a little bit here. You know, as far as this soap, it's pretty slick, but in between passes, it doesn't leave a whole lot of extra. And I might have just put it on a little bit thin today. And I only do 2 passes there with the scuttle. I only do 2 passes. I don't get too crazy with it. So the first pass that I did was with the grain, and now I'm going to go against the grain. This razor does a really good job at just cutting right through whatever you can grow. I know some people say it's pretty aggressive. I do like an aggressive razor, but you know, it's a lot of personal preference. So I could use this every day and it wouldn't bother me at all. In my last video, I had mentioned that on my neck, my hair kind of grows to the side. And what I'm going to do for my post shave is I do a cold water rinse. So you can't see here, but I do have a bowl that's filled with cool water. All right, and so to top that off, we're going to use the matching Chiseled Face Cryogen splash. Just give you a little shake here. I know I got some big paws, so it kind of hides stuff sometimes. Oh yeah. You can definitely feel that. And then, just for a little extra added safety, I do like to use their matching balm. I try to do that with all of them. But not everything has matching balm, so you can't always get away with it. And I know I was kind of checking out the lighting in this bathroom, and for whatever reason, the LED lights that are up above me here definitely make my face look red, but I don't know why that's doing that exactly. So there you go. There's Menthol Monday shave for the day. I appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't already, just go ahead and click subscribe or like or dislike. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything you'd like to see next week, or anything I can do to improve on, or things I did great. Thank you. Eugene, are you still here? It's time to go. I'm serious.